In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render an abstract art. Let's start with a UV sphere. I have put too much details here, and ended up removing the mesh. I've decided to keep this part, because it will show the basic modeling concept and how to add the materials. The idea is to go to Edit Mode's Vertex Selection mode by pressing 1A to deselect, checker deselect and G and Z to move up. After that, S to scale and use the proportional editing to rotate the mesh from the top view. We need the solidify and the wireframe modifiers. If we increase the solidify setting like this, then we'd have the shape we wanted. However, I have put way too much details and it started to make my PC run much slower. Here, I've added the usual color ramp and the gradient nodes. The scene started to lag, and I only had less than 150,000 vertices in total. My idea here was to add a point light and apply a different color emission. Then the scene started to slow down. Barely able to move the mouse, and that wasn't good. I saved the previous mesh only to duplicate the material. This time, a new UV sphere with 16 by 16 settings. I won't apply the top view rotation either. I can feel a bit of the slowness on the scene, but that's okay. I've added a UV sphere, and typed S to scale, to use it as the background. Then added a new point light. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI setting. Ctrl B to preview the render region, and Ctrl plus Alt plus B to turn the render region off later. I'll use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.